Okay, Michael, so here's our second quiz in a row. In the last quiz, we talked about running time and space time, but now we're going to talk about how the KNN algorithm actually works. And in particular, how different choices between distance metrics, values of K, and how you're going to put them together can give you different answers, okay? So what I have over here on the left is training data. This is a regression problem. And your training data is made up of XY pairs. X is two-dimensional. Okay? So this is a function from R squared to some value in R1. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the first dimension represents something, and the second dimension represents something. And then there's some particular output over here. And what I want you to do is, given a query point of 4, 2, produce what the proper Y or output ought to be, given all of this training data. You with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to do it in 4 different cases. I want you to do it in the case where your distance metric is Euclidean. Okay?
The distance metric in R2?
Yes.
Oh, I see, because we're going to measure the distance between the query and the different data points. Yeah, okay,
Right. So it's Euclidean for a case of 1 nearest neighbor and 3 nearest neighbor. And I want you to take, for example, in the 3 nearest neighbor case, I want you to take their output and average them. Okay?
Okay.
Now, in the, I also want you to do the same thing, but in the case where instead of using Euclidean distance, we use Manhattan distance. But again, for both 1 nearest neighbor and 3 nearest neighbor, and in any case where we have ties, like in 3 nearest neighbor where we absolutely have to have at least 3 of these things show up, just let them average. Okay? And we're doing
Gotcha.
averaging instead of straight voting because this is a regression problem.
Got it.
Okay. Any questions?
Maybe. Let's see. 3 nearest neighbor. And so if there's ties, we use the college ranking trick of including everybody who's at least as good as the K largest or K closest.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Yeah, no, I think I could take a stab at this.
Okay, cool. Then go.